Have you ever imagined men and women, their bodies covered in mud, their clothes made of dried banana leaves, walking barefoot under the morning sun? Welcome to the quiet town of Aliaga, Nueva Ecija, where every June 24, the streets come alive. Not with music or grand parades, but with silence. They are called Taong Putik or the mad people, walking not for show, but for faith. This story began long ago when a great war struck in the land. It was June 24, the feast of Saint John the Baptist. Soldiers entered the town of Aliaga, ready to harm anyone in their path. The villagers, fearing for their lives, ran into the rice fields and covered themselves in the mud and leaves, hoping the soldier would pass without noticing. Then suddenly, miraculous happened. The rain suddenly poured, the soldiers stopped, and the villagers survived. The people believed it was a blessing of Saint John the Baptist, the saint who washed away sin and gave them a second chance at life. From that day, every year they walk again, covered in mud, to remember the moment of salvation. They knock the doors, asking for candles, saying nothing, only offering their humble presence, because in silence, they speak the loudest prayer, a prayer of gratitude, humility, and rebirth. For the people of Aliaga, being a Taong Putik is not a performance, it's a promise. To remain faithful no matter how daily, no matter how dirty, tired, or tested life becomes. Did you know that it became a festival known as the Taong Putik Festival, celebrated every year in Aliaga, Nueva Ecija? It has become a powerful tradition that honors faith, transformation, and thanksgiving. The Taong Putik reminds us that faith doesn't always shine. Sometimes it's covered in mud. But through faith, we rise again, purified, renewed, and transformed. So when you witness a Taong Putik walk in silence, remember, it's not just about a ritual. It's a journey of soul. Maraming salamat po.